Hi there, my name's Jake Yeater and I work for the Mike Morse Law Firm. And I grew up in Northwest Ohio, out in the country, basically, in a town no one's ever heard of. And then I ended up coming up to Michigan for law school and stayed up here for a long time. So I have two kids, a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old, boy and a girl, so they keep me pretty busy. When I'm not with them, my favorite hobby I would say would be hunting. White-tailed deer, Northwest Ohio is what they're known for, so that's how I spend my time when I can. I do like to try to coach my kids' teams when I can, and just recently taken up CrossFit, so I do like to stay in shape and exercise when I can, but again, that's kind of hard with the two kids, so most of the time I spend with my kids. So I went to law school at Cooley School of Law, and I graduated during 2008. And shortly after, I started here while I was waiting for my bar results. And I remember passing the bar when I was working for Michael, and Michael was happy for me. I remember that day very well when I passed. So I started working at the Mike Morse Law Firm during 2009. It was basically my first major job in the legal field. Working for the Mike Morse Law Firm, it's very busy and high energy. It's fun. It's a great culture. It's something that's really makes the job in a legal field like this very entertaining and keeps you interested. I remember one of my best interactions with a client was when we won a huge verdict for her. She was a nice lady in Detroit. She was a nurse. She was hurt pretty bad in the accident, and just the insurance company wasn't negotiating fairly with her. And I remember we took it to trial, got a huge verdict that she deserved. I just remember how happy she was, and that was a great day. That was one of the first trials that I really worked on as an attorney, and it was a great experience. Yeah. It's important to have trial attorneys because it's easy to settle a case. Anyone can settle a case. You can settle your own case, but is it settling for what it's really worth? That's the issue, and that's why you need good trial attorneys, because if you don't have a good trial attorney, the insurance company will roll the dice with a jury, and you never know what's going to happen. But they know and they pay more and they resolve your case for what it's worth more when you have a good trial attorney on your side. I would say the best part of my job, or the most rewarding part of my job, is when a client really thanks me, and when they really sincerely look at me and say thank you. I know you fought and did what you could for me, and I'm really happy with what I got. And it's a great feeling when that happens. You can tell you really help some people that are in a tough spot. The one thing I want clients to know about me is I'm going to shoot you straight from the outset. I'm going to tell you what I think, and I'm not going to really hide the ball from you. And most clients seem to appreciate that, and that's what I tend to do on all my cases. The Mike Morse Law Firm is separated from its competitors in the main way that I've seen the work product from other plaintiffs' law firms out there, and I've seen how they handle their cases, and you can tell we work harder, we put more into it. Our briefs are better, we have more contact with our clients. And we hear the complaints from individuals that are represented by other law firms, and that's where we stand apart. I mean, generally, we will put way more effort into your case than most of the other law firms out there.